Hello, in this video, we will give you a brief introduction to the system settings page of your AREC Media Station. Go to the administrator page with the IP address of your AREC station and log in with the user and password. By default, these are set to admin in lowercase. On the left side of the page, navigate to System, then General Settings. Here you will find device information such as hostname and device description, which are editable, as well as serial number and MAC address, which cannot be changed. Scrolling down, we can change the time zone of the device to match your current time zone, and the NTP server mode to be manual or automatic. Then we have the option to change the boot image, which is the image displayed when booting up the station, and the pause image, which is the image shown when an ongoing recording is paused. Both of these images can be replaced and customized. Following that, we have the power options, where we can configure automatic power on and off of the stations. To enable on and off automation, simply input the time in hour and minute that you want the station to perform this function. The last two options are security settings to keep the user logged in. This prevents the page from kicking the user out due to inactivity, and then the restart button. To change the network settings, under System, we go to Network. Here we can define whether the IP assignment of the one port of the device is set to DHCP, meaning getting the IP automatically assigned by the router, or manual. Here we can also change the subnet for the LAN port of the station. And finally, change the web server protocol. AREC stations work with both HTTP and HTTPS. For more training videos, visit our YouTube channel, ADENA channel, and our website www.a-dena.com.